Kurunji Senior Secondary School, CBSE, Namakkal.
Successful result producing school in state every year.
Administered by the Board of Directors with over 35 years of experience in the teaching field.
Special attention on art, craft, music, dance, silambam, yoga, skating and karate.
Focus on Hindi Sabha and Spell Bee Olympiad exams.
Smart class for effective and innovative learning and well-furnished library.
Solitary importance on sports and games in state and national level.
WhatsApp facilities to know activities of students and school inside the campus.
Free bus for LKG to 8th standard.
Free, hygienic and nutritious food.
NEET, JEE, IIT coaching experts from Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh along with our effective teachers.
Admission registration for classes LKG to +2.
Kurunji Educational Institution, Kavetipatti, Namakkal. Admission in progress. CBSE, KG to 12, contact 9025895176. Metric 6 to 12, contact 9344567484. For online admission, log on to www.kurunjischoolnkl.in.
Good morning students. Already in 11th standard CBSE, first chapter is completed, some basic concept of chemistry. From that chapter, all information, mole concept, some basic concept of chemistry already completed in my previous videos. Now today we are start very important chapter from 11th standard, classification of elements or nothing but periodic classification of the element. You know, this chapter is very important, not only in 11th standard, even in 12th standard is also this chapter is very important, because in this entire the chapter in the 11th standard point of view, 11th standard just only introduced the periodic table, and but in 12th standard the complete groups wise, first group, second group, third group, 14th group, total 18 groups are there. That's why every student seriously focused on this chapter in 11th standard as well as the 12th standard. So today in my first session we will start the introduction part of the classification of the periodic table. Okay students, good morning to all. Now we are entering to very important chapter, 11th standard CBSE chemistry, periodic classification of the elements. Periodic classification of the element. First of all, what is the classification? What is the classification? What is the need for classification of the elements? Just introduction point of view, you must have visited a library. There are thousands of books in a large library. In spite of this, if you were asked for any particular book, the library staff can locate it easily. Why? Because the library person already arranged the books in particular manner, alphabetical order. Just you ask any one of the book, the librarian it can easily to take and bring send to yours. So that's why classification to play very important key role in case of to study any point of area, it can easily. For example, in our school, 6th class standard peoples has one particular uniform, 7th class students has one particular uniform, and LKG students also has one particular uniform. Why class by class are separated uniform? Because of only it can easily to recognize it in outside of the playground or outside of the school. For example, all 6th to 10th standard students are playing in outside of the ground. How you will recognize it that particular student as a 6th class and a 7th class and 8th class? Because of based on the uniform. So classification word, listen very carefully, classification word to play very important key role in case of identification and in case of studies, whatever it. So classification is the to play very important key role. But in this chapter, classification of the element, you know that my dear students, scientists are discover 118 elements. So out of 118 elements, most of the element are showing the similar properties. So if you identify easily what are the showing the similar properties, the study of the elements or study of the matter, it can be easy. So that's why scientists was try to started in initial time, they are try to classified all elements in the different manner, like that periods and groups. Okay ma? Now in this class we will discuss the complete classification of the element. Who was first started the classification of the element? After that, how many scientists did lot of experiment in particular classification of the element? The total information we will discuss here. See here. For example, what is the necessity for classification of the element? What is the necessity of the classification of the element? It helps to understanding the properties of the element efficiently. The classification may be help to study them better. The classification may further reveal relationship between different elements. These are the important points about the classification of the elements. So definitely the classification of the elements concept is very helpful to all students. Whenever you will study the metals and non-metals and different kind of the matter in chemistry, this concept is very helpful for every students also. Okay ma? So see here, introduction point of view. Who was the first attempted the classification of the element? Who was first to try to attempt the classification of element? So first scientist is Antony Lavoisier. You know that very well. Who is Antony Lavoisier? Father of the chemistry, father of the modern chemistry. So Lavoisier first tried to attempted the classification of the element. Only two categories: metals and non-metals. Metals and non-metals. You know that, my dear students, what are the characteristics of metal? It's malleable, ductility, good conductor of electricity and heat, good conductor of heat, and metallic luster. These are the characteristics of the metal. And non-metals means brittle, bad conductor of electricity, heat and bad conductor of heat and bad conductor of electricity is also. So these are the major differentiations between metals and non-metals. But after classification of Lavoisier metals and non-metal, some of the scientists discover another category of the element, that is called metalloids. That is called metalloids. But here, what is the reason why Lavoisier classification is rejected? Because of some of the elements behave both as metals and non-metal. Why some elements showing both metallic character as well as the non-metallic character, he didn't explain very clearly. That's why the classification of the Lavoisier elements is rejected. After Lavoisier classification, some of the scientists was tried to did classified of element, but unfortunately the information is not available. But some reference books printed these names. After Lavoisier, J.P. Crookes, second one J.P. Crookes, Pettenkofer, another third scientist Pettenkofer, fourth scientist is the Dicha-Cortais. See, in the Dicha-Cortais, classification of the element based on the telluric helix. Helix means is a DNA structure pattern. So Dicha-Cortais did the classification of the element based on the telluric helix. These are the introduction classified. First Lavoisier, next J.P. Crookes, after that Pettenkofer, Dicha-Cortais. This is unofficially a classification. But my dear students, this is the most important one, Daubernier classification. He did in between 1817 to 1829, approximately 12 years, he did lot of hard work on the classification of the element. This is not a lifespan of the Daubernier, this is a research time, 1817 to 1829. So Daubernier. So see, these are the unofficial information, but official information, who was the first attempted the classification of the periodic table, officially classification of the element officially means Daubernier. Who is the scientist name? Daubernier. See Nana, the full form of the Daubernier, Johann Wolfgang Daubernier. Scientist name Johann Wolfgang Daubernier, and he is a German scientist. He was first to classify elements in the groups. Important word. Who was the first to classify the elements in groups means Daubernier. The full name of the Daubernier, Johann Wolfgang Daubernier, is from German scientist. The group name is actually he is introduced one word. The word name is a group. According to Daubernier classification, the group name is the triad. triad. Important that sometimes, my dear students, in the examinations point of view, they are asking question Daubernier triad. Which is the correct Daubernier triad in the following option? Like that questions are coming in the board level as well as the NEET level. So here triad word. And one more question from this concept. Who was first introduced the triad word? Who was first introduced the triad word? Daubernier. Triad means three elements. Listen very carefully. Triad means three elements were arranged increasing order of their atomic masses. Listen, my dear students, the initial scientists, they did classification of the elements based on the increasing order of the atomic masses. Very, very important point. Initial scientists, Daubernier, Lavoisier, J.P. Crookes, Pettenkofer, John Newlands, Dmitri Mendeleev, Lothar Meyer, these all scientists are classified the element based on the increasing order of their atomic masses. Now, even Daubernier also try to arrange the element based on the increasing order of their atomic mass. Write down in your point, this is the most important. Triad means three elements are arranged in that group based on the increasing order of their atomic masses. Now, important point, my dear students, in board level, define Daubernier law. Define Daubernier law. What is the law? Important, very, very, very important. 1 mark point of view, 2 mark point of view. Daubernier law is very, very important. See carefully, listen every student. What is the law? How Mr. Daubernier classified the element based on what law? See here, when elements were arranged in order of their increasing atomic mass. Carefully observe, Nana. And elements were arranged in order of their increasing atomic masses. The atomic masses of the middle element, listen carefully, already I mentioned very clearly with color chalk piece. The atomic mass of the middle element was approximately the arithmetic means of the other two elements in the triad. This is the law of Daubernier triad. Most important, simple, Nana, don't confusion. If the elements were arranged in increasing order of the atomic mass, the middle element of the atomic mass of the middle element was approximately the arithmetic meaning of the other two elements in the triad. Is it clear, ma? Now see here, already I mentioned some example, Daubernier triad. You know that very well. Triad, this is the group. Already I said here, he was first introduced one word that is called group. This is the group. Vertical columns, vertical columns are called groups. This is the group. In this group, how many elements are present here? 1, 2, 3. 3. So that's why according to Daubernier triad, this group name is the triad. Triad means 3 elements are present here. Triad means 3 elements are present here. See, in this triad, elements were arranged. Listen very carefully. Elements were arranged in increasing order of atomic masses. For example, my dear students, you know that very well. Lithium atomic mass is the 7. Sodium atomic mass is the 23. Potassium atomic mass is the 39. So, according to Daubernier concept, what is the concept? In triad, listen very carefully, my dear students. In the triad, first element, listen ma, first element atomic mass plus last element atomic mass to add together by arithmetic meaning of these two elements, not third element. Arithmetic meaning of the two element, get cancellation of this value, 23 is coming. 23 means, see here concept, the atomic mass of the middle element. In this triad, lithium, sodium, potassium. In this triad, the atomic mass of the middle element. Which is the middle element here? Sodium is the middle element. So, the atomic mass of the middle element was approximately arithmetic meaning of other two elements. For example, simple nana, in a triad, first element to third element to arithmetic mean almost equal to the middle element. This is the concept of Daubernier triad. What is the concept of Daubernier triad? In a triad, first element and third element arithmetic mean value almost similar to the middle of the elements in the triad. This is the concept of Daubernier. Listen very carefully. In 2 marks point of view, what is the Daubernier law? Elements were arranged in increasing order of atomic mass. First of all, you arrange in increasing order. This is the 7. Lithium atomic mass 7, sodium atomic mass 23, potassium atomic mass 39. So increasing order of atomic mass. So when elements were arranged increasing order of the atomic mass, the middle element atomic mass almost similar to arithmetic meaning of the first two element, first and third element. Arithmetic meaning of the first and third element. This is the concept of Daubernier. Very, very important. See here, 5 triads are there. So Li Na K. How to remember this one? Li Na K. ClBr, chlorine, bromine, iodine. See here, chlorine atomic mass 35.5 plus iodine atomic mass 127 upon by 2, bromine atomic mass approximately 81.25. So according to the Daubernier concept, in a triad, first element, third element atomic masses is equal to arithmetic meaning of the middle element. It's a clear. Now my question, Nana, in the neat question. Which is the correct Daubernier triad in the following option? Li Na K is a Daubernier triad, ClBr also Daubernier triad, and calcium, strontium, barium, these are also Daubernier triad. But my dear student, see here 4th and 5th examples. Feconi, how to remember this one? Feconi, ferrous, cobalt, nickel, CNO. See, 4th and 5th examples are Daubernier triad, but rejected triads. Very, very, very important. Why it's called rejected, my dear students? If the elements were arranged in the increasing order of their atomic masses, all elements showing the same similar properties. Lithium property is almost similar to the potassium. Potassium property is almost similar to the sodium. So similar property is also very, very important. But here concept is followed. What is the concept? First element to third element atomic masses, arithmetic meaning is similar to the middle of the element. In these two example, ferrous, cobalt, nickel, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen point of view, concept are similar. Concept is same, but these elements showing different properties. That's why right now my question, my dear students, here, which is the Daubernier rejected triads means CNO is a rejected triad, as well as a Feconi, ferrous, cobalt, nickel is a rejected triads. These two are the rejected triads, and this 3 is the accepted triads. What are the accepted triads in the Daubernier concept? Lithium, sodium, potassium, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Now here calcium, strontium, barium. But rejected triads are Feconi, ferrous, cobalt, nickel, and carbon, nitrogen, and oxygen. See, my dear students, once again finally, Daubernier is German scientist. He was first classified to the elements of the word group. The group name is the triad. Triad means 3 elements were arranged in increasing order of atomic masses. The atomic masses of the middle element was approximately equal to arithmetic meaning of other 2 elements in the triad. What are the Daubernier triads? Li Na K, ClBr, and calcium, strontium, barium. But these are also triad, but rejected triads. Feconi, CNO are the rejected triads in the category of the Daubernier. So this is the important classification of the elements, Daubernier classification. It's clear, ma? After Daubernier, one more scientist tried to classification of the element. The scientist name is the Newlands. So that's why this classification is the Newland classification. You know the, my dear student, the full name of the Newlands, John Alexander Reinhard Newlands. John Alexander Reinhard Newlands is English scientist or Britain scientist or England scientist. He is classified the classification of the element in 1865. He was chemist as well as a music lover. Important point, he was a chemistry scientist as well as music lover. So he was first time introduced one law. The law name is the law of octaves. Law of octaves. See, Daubernier law name is law of triad. Keep it in your mind. Daubernier law name is the law of triad. Newland classification law is the law of octaves. Already I said here very clearly, he was a chemist and as well as a musical lover. He was chemist and as well as a musical lover. So what is the law? According to the John Newlands, what is the law? Listen ma, laws are very, very important in board level, 2 marks point of view, sometimes 3 marks also. John Newland's law, it's commonly it's known as law of octaves. See here, when elements were arranged in order of their increasing atomic masses Already I informed initially up to Dmitry Mendeleev, every scientist tried to did classification of the element based on the increasing order of their atomic masses. So keep it in your mind. In initial scientists, Daubernier, Newlands, these are all scientists who the elements were arranged in the tabular form based on the increasing order of atomic masses. Okay ma, see here, John Newland's law, when elements were arranged in order of their increasing order of atomic masses, see yellow lines, very important. The first element physical and chemical properties as well as the resembled means similar. So the first elements physical and chemical properties as well as the resembles to the eighth element in the classification, just like the musical notes, just like the eighth notes in musical notes. So what is the concept here la? If the elements were arranged, listen very carefully, if the elements were arranged in the increasing order of the atomic masses, first element similar properties almost similar to eighth element similar properties. This is the concept of law of octaves. Why it's called oct? Oct means eighth. So first element similar properties is exactly equal to the eighth element. That's why, my dear students, Mr. John Newlands, he was arranged the elements, first element similar properties almost similar to the eighth element. So based on the musical notes, you know that musical notes, see here, Indian musical notes means sa, re, ga, ma, pa, da, ni, sa. So see sound, first element sound sa, eighth element sound also sa. This is the Indian musical system. Very interested point is Mr. John Newlands classified the element based on the musical notes. For example, see here, first element, first note is the sa sound, and similarly eighth note is also sa sound. And in foreign musical note, this is the Indian musical notes, foreign musical notes is do, re, me, fa, sol, la, ti, do. So here do, do. So first element to eighth elements are same sound. Based on this concept, he was arranged the elements the same manner. For example, here lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine. My dear students, important point, whenever Newland classified time, noble gases are not discovered. That's why here after fluorine, there is no any noble gases. So lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine. After sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, next potassium and calcium. See carefully, lithium is the first element. After eighth element, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8th element sodium. That's why lithium physical and chemical properties almost similar to the sodium because of first element. According to the John Newland's concept, first element first element physical and chemical properties almost all resembles to the eighth element. Understood, my dear students? This is the John Newland concept. See, important note here mentioned, this classification only applicable up to 20 element. My dear students, in my previous exams, in NEET exams and some JEE mains and different competitive exams in India, frequently asked this question. What is the question? How many elements are classified Mr. John Newlands in classification of the element? Up to calcium, 20 elements. So now my question in case of NEET level, lithium according to John Newland classification, lithium property similar to dash, sodium. After that, sodium properties similar to dash element, potassium. And after that, beryllium property similar to magnesium. Magnesium property similar to the calcium. So these are the John Newland classification. Once again, see Nana, Mr. John Newlands, he was arranged the elements increasing order of their atomic masses, and first element similar properties as well as the resembles to the eighth element similar properties. It's clear? And after that, the John Newlands, the classification based on the musical notes, either Indian musical notes you will take, foreign musical notes also. So ultimate, why it's called law of octaves? Because first element similar properties, first element's physical and chemical properties similar to the eighth element. It's clear? And after that, see here, what are the achievements of the John Newlands? What are the achievements? So achievements mean the law of octaves, the first logical attempt at the classification of the element on basis of atomic weights. Important point, my dear students. What is the major achievements of John Newland classification? He was introduced logical attempts of the classification of the elements. This is the most important. And one more point is, he was introduced periodicity. This is definition also important. Define periodicity. So what is the periodicity? First time periodicity was introduced by Mr. John Newlands. What is the periodicity? See definition. The repetition of the elements having similar properties after a regular interval time when arranged in order of their increasing atomic number. So important point, my dear students, see here. What is the periodicity? For example, here see lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine. See for example, you will moving from lithium to fluorine, moving from left to right, lithium to fluorine. After fluorine is completed, the next element is sodium. This completion area is commonly known as interval time. So what is the reason here? If the elements were arranged in increasing order of atomic number or atomic masses, after regular interval, the next elements are similar to the first element. That is called periodicity. Very, very important point, Nana. What is the periodicity? In this manner, if you move left to right, after regular, here this is called regular interval. In the interval, after completions of the interval, you will freshly started the one more element. This element and first elements almost similar. This is called periodicity. So see here again, the repetition of the element, the properties are repetition. The repetition of the element having similar properties after a regular interval when elements were arranged in the increasing order of atomic mass or increasing order of atomic number. See once again, what is the periodicity? The elements were arranged in increasing order of the atomic number after certain interval time. This is a certain interval time. After interval time, one more element joining to the second line. So in the one more element joining to the second line, the first element, this first element or first line of the first element showing the similar properties. This is called periodicity. See again, the repetitions of the element having similar properties after regular interval time when they arranged in order of their increasing atomic number. This is the John Newland's classification. See Nana, first of all, in board level point of view, what are the possibility of area, especially this introduction part? Define Dauber-Near law. Define, first question, define Dauber-Near law. What is the Dauber-Near law? N elements were arranged in order of their increasing atomic masses. The atomic mass of the middle element was approximately equal to arithmetic meaning of the other two elements. This law is important. After that, examples of Dauber-Near triad. These are the example, and which is the rejected triads? Facconi CNO is the rejected triads, and this is the important area. After that, John Newland's point of view, define law of octaves. What is the law of octaves? When the elements were arranged in increasing order of their atomic weights, the first element physical and chemical properties similar to the eighth elements, based on the musical notes. This is the Newland's classification. After that, in the Newland classification, one more concept is coming, that is called periodicity. What is the periodicity? Simple, Nana. If the elements were arranged in increasing order of atomic number, after regular interval time, certain interval time, next new elements are joining in the second line. So the first line of the first element, second line of the first element, almost similar properties. This is the periodicity concept. Okay ma? After that, next in my next video, after periodicity, now we will going to the discussing fifth scientist. Okay ma?